Maswa simi ame ho so ahwe ade. Let the MTM for actually be new. Wow. I'm the speaker, Kofi. I'm saying for another easy. And the MTM for Adio Mochen Kuma. And Doris Momon Payena and the network na a woman no. A special network one year. Side jam up there na say a call of the program. Now you share another day. Now you do a program no, because it's not easy. It is not easy at all. Hey, Mama tia kwantu me mo na mo enjoy data. Na data ultimate to untimi mfanye adwuma. The sound is okay now. Yes. But you don't even have the network to push the program. That's a challenge that we are going through now. There is no even proper networking to get things done. So this is what I'm going to do now. Let's switch it. Now I apply Vodafone. Now Vodafone no me the phone and a be video no. Enti me di kama obusuafo ma hwe hu say challenge bi a ebenya no picture quality no ebia na anye te se dia enka open no but I say program no so ekoso. Enti no pardon me. Men share video no. Me stop on number use Vodafone to see how it will work. But it says so a DCV and kakra. Obe one say number ne kakra be ka na teko. But masama ya so no 1 minute zabrinka. E twaja atomu a enam 100 kura e di America economy. What a network we have to do. I will say what the na bi on. And I am fanasa. Okay. Yaba fanasa high massam TVGH. Share video na catch the only answer on also share. Or the enye na ha because my own say 23 be abeda so I know. Ye hope say ebema ye kwan ne aye den yaya ade ni ye. Enti no menya onimunyamfo Sulemana Adama. Ono na yem rahye bedwani for time consuency. Enkomo wo ho a mene ne ba betwetwe. Aha ye masem TVGH. Yem fa na sa ma hunse nipa 6 bi a share. Ma hunse ya tra 30 aye kon kakra. Ebia be fa. But enne the network MTN for me dey amay dey nkeze ye dem kokot. Ni eji esika free mo because treatment we dey me hunu bi da. Even comment section no kura na appear. Eno menya kwan akan. Ti yise me use monitor no. Ena me de akan mo comment, but I think say now is better than Kania Yeshas, you know. Intimoma yen share video no catch unu also say ono so and share. The moment I no be hit 100 pe na me turn camera no Eliato honorable Ahmed honorable Ramsey so because minim say hit 100 eno de na ekwamu ada ho a ye ni nipa over 1,000 etwin komo. 100 no ebi mo hwe no page so enti no aha masem TV GH share video no kire onu yanso so ono so en share video no na ka kire obi nso so on fa ne ho nye den engine na yembo modern reaching the padro na ebetimi arechi omo na enyumre na ye no omo atwetwe nkomo na omo nso ani aba omo nso na ya save Ghana from this super incompetent government any regime ensem sincerely akwanya Akufo-Addo de Ghana for ma fa so no niema no bu wono ma ebon kankan kora otia abofuno wanwe ya na okofa aduru kura yeden anom but a higher house of records emrahye bedwam ena mabai ahanom ni asie ena one me betwetwe ho nkomo ni akoso ena obebiebie ni ayeden ede a kire ti ya approach 80 ne de na jese enche na me be introduce opanyin kese a mene ne betwetwe nkomo ma unse already nipa 20 ashe is not enough until the last person is rigged. Yembo modiani en share video ni yen kanchiri ni aso no so en share video no na yentimi ndidi nkomo etoda ya brew so yemre se ye adwuma no se informing crofo me kan da bia se time a obe waste de didi atem no se o wasi sa time no e de sensitize en crofo as to the happenings in the office of a member of parliament any niema ombetimi ayabo an information through office no me no be nu betimi akwai niema Ghana for the wicked deeds of this very regime no I think say me no me no asede say ye say adwuma no enti emu bi afa to ye ho say bra no ye bebo omo nchen edie na ekoso die na krata esie in the chest of this government what is really happening na omo abomu akire abusafo omo bomu kire ya ebeboa ma ye the credible information ahead akọ out there me can dey bia say it's better late than say obeko na wako falsify information edi ama omanfo time no so no omuhunu no kre na ebe din so credibility obenya na back na wode aye adwuma bia oyeden oye enti aha Masem TV GH home of credibility yemrane no and buy a news any information de kwa bontia we make sure whatever we put out there is what represent the ordinary. Okay, I'm say network in there but then ya no wanya akoye network na akoye 70 80 okay bi mu kra na no akra me FM station bi no dey 14 any program 80 no ye nyame adoma me atwamu a o me enko yenim na yenkotwetwe enkomo emfiri onumonyamfo Ramsey enchen na on educate yen na on inform yen following no say what is really happening ewo emrahye bedwam when it comes to Womujumedi omudi ewo hanom budget ababitum any matters arising. Honorable Ramsey, good evening.
Good evening, Ominia.
Honorable Memo Akwa Baba Masem TV GH so. Honorable si ade ye nkamuno eswati kakra eze mitimi jijida makunya no makasa. Munyina amoka ho ne etimi achieve sa ade no. Na me potwa officer enkomo kakra bi na me na oba abetwetwe mpo acho sound ni ye okay a na mo alert me se sound ni e okay se nye okay nso a mo na mbetimi atwe me adwene aba me ho so na metimi anyame adom me introduce no anche kra na ya hit 100 aye ko meanings is ye ni nipa mpempem na ye den atwetwe nkomo. Thank you MTN moye papa ebeka mo kotia ye so aye bebo machi. Honorable Zisia me say me pese me bisa bibi about the current budgeter and ebedru efie kasi mo ye mafom die bi ambetimi yare de yemfa yade enye den ensan per calculation any nkonta inya ene kire se na yenua na say a member of parliament for Bia West still onyanye ne ho emfiri COVID-19 ensem na yeni numbers ne de enenso ye da honorable Podo omame edampam ena yewura Tamils ni sister eye onimonyamfo Kadma Mills na twin sister unze toda explanation no ese party for eti ne ekoso ena me I don't feel shy say me explaining niema said the because now one ankasa nso afa sa issue ni bi a hye say wo mo share ye date ansana anada o de body ne to ansana about 2 years den eba bedru so. It's unfortunate eda sa nipa mi na yi hye sada na abato no kodru so already na more deficit of one person oye ebeka so oye untimi oye invalid for now untimi mba house. It will not be allowed say obi o COVID-19 yemfanbra ha me se me bo yare ni tin but say to da we explaining yema say the city nipa 134 mobile house no ene nyina moba ekon fa ko grassroots ni say ye mama baso say mwati onsu na muguso ye nia ebeboa mo makum say budget we die mo horomo nsa free ho nya de a mo ye interested say budget we mo de mo nsa be hyase ye ye njintum budget niema bebre na aban na de abetoto Ghana force within the shortest possible time near high COVID-19 ebola any energy sector tax omodi aba bigu honorable Ghana for what is really happening with Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo in Aban mahwefo 80
that's minia em say ne din kan no e beda wasese wo maye kwanya osise ne Ghana for nkasa emfa masem TVGH so me chia wa hwefo nyina
o ma je so honorable
na se ne o kan no em say me fa free babia minister we are responsible for finance e ba e be kan e wo hwe budget no mu a efree achire efree mfitiase ekosi na wie ye no e hover around COVID enti e mu bebre ka say COVID budget
edin abeda budget no so
pandemic budget if you say everything about this budget e COVID asem na e understandable nti ase wo me fi say COVID ni ye real abeto ye nyina so na wo hwe ne tofa pampesa me bon ni say minister no e kire juma COVID edi yen edi Ghana fo edi wiase fo nyina e fa yen social life e be wie ya fa employment be wie economic indicators e kire say yen de Ghana mpo de ya hade na ye growth rate no bi mu ye negative nye ya 0.9 ti ya hade na mo ade ba ko na ewo mpa ne say minister ne say ene na Addo na ban say informal sector no adwumayefo omododo ebe boro 700,000 eye oha aduo oha hanson over 700,000 ena ho kan ye enam COVID-19 sikasem ebe fom ebi wo ho a o construction industry ebi wo ho a o entertainment ebi wo ho a o arts and enti nipa ne bebre ho kire ho na osande to emu 42,000 de adwuma bo wo mo aban sai kan say ye ho kire yen enti eye lifeline customers no yempe electricity emfa nsuo emo enti wo hwe budget na bibia kire say eya ho kyem na sisi ayewo aban say or the vaccines are brain 600,000 vaccines as at that day na president ba obema state of the nation no say nipa 250,000 and na vaccine no bi granted say nipa 600 ni na wo bia e wo say enya 17 million more na be vaccine no if it's a vaccine you say omo ye 18 years and over and e wo nti enya over 17 million more almost 20 million vaccines and e wo minister nkasa bitu say COVID-19 ena wasan kire ya ho kire awom ewo man no na menua wo hwe aman bebre a yesi Ghana ye ade cha aman bebre in fact ye de ho toto aman akese te say America na Britain say ye timi akontokwa no a chensa nkrofo But why almost on budget more? America, man in Crawford 1.7 trillion package. Say, relief because of COVID.
US are buying man Crawford support.
Yes, or more support to the tune of 1.7 trillion US dollars. Britain is supporting Crawford. Burkina Faso is supporting Crawford. Algeria is supporting Crawford. But Ghana there, minister na jitum say ye ho akere yen. Enu nti a ye ma freebies in kakran no. But sign the taxes abeto ye so. Entu he minority a na ya asem ne say sabi sa wono obatifie na ahokere ba ti se ne sabi yare aka akwala na enyoma akwala na ye dada no ontimi nye biom ti se okonsu ama wo ofufu ama wo okoje wadwuma no ontimi nye agese ne ho ato no ti se no Ghana nyina yakwa hohia mu e ti se ne ye ayarefo no se yare no abre nyina ase ama adwumanfo ali so omadwuma ena abayansan kwosisa tax na tax na baba ndi aba no bro ni say indirect tax enye tax a sikafo na ekotua na hiafo ho atomo obia betua bi enti obia abana nkasa agi atum say 42,000 people omolu so omadwuma no omo ka tax na yebetua no ho afa na no yewura kojo ponkroma ono kwa na chi asem no ma obia akra te ase o say free water any electricity na abande maye no na enye free na ye bosia na ye bo enti emre na so say ye betua ka enti ye kwahye na ye bisa ne say na na loka say free water no na eye brofo na ye twi
brofo
ne ye adwene say na ye brofo menu asa na ye twi eye twi
say honorable
eye say free water ana free electricity na na say waptua yenso ye tene brofo sa na o ka twi na akere yen if you say last year no and all the man sa na o say free just a loan
anti free and water and yes bia
free asin brofo ento ka twi na kire yen ene ye te ne brofo enti nesa na ndo be kasa e wo say ye bisa ne say twi ana ye brofo
no
be kasa if say adwene say ye brofo a free water if say man fo bebre dia ban we buy if say o say abaya mo free water mo free electricity
ya wo signboard nyina
bebre
ya wo signboard okruma
enti menua ne ma minority ayo parliament ne ye kacha ban ne say yesere no taxes na odi aba no only tax ni nyina free ho tax ba ko pe ene betumi aka say ye be support aban ama na di aba enu mpo yesere e kire say on kire yen specifically ne odi tax ne be road tolls no if so ene uduru ba bia ye je road tolls no omo ba bia ye je tolls na nkasa ba
o na say kese Ghana
ojeje a ye betumi abo na manaje na oje no a ye mfanye ya akwan no na akwan foforo nso amamfo hia no ye mfanye tax na aka ni nyina aban ni free oyi free mu a ye beboa ene ohwe yen budget yen sky ye de bebre na yenso ye ogidi se abano underestimate kai de no sika ne bi wo ho a e wo so wo de ka ho a wonfa nka ho onfa no so nka ho na ye ntretre ne ye dwen se e ba bebo na nka ye ho mom na yenye majority si dabi ye se Ghana for ye de ka we beto mo so na de enso na mo no me no enkane ya na mo da mu kwa no ye agi ho sika afi ye mamo sanitation and pollution taxes so abeka ho ye be mamo gaming nemrante ye no mfon so say
game football
ni games ni nyoma ye the tax beto so NHIL na eno so ye bi beto so VAT ye increase 1 more percent e dia beka ho enti nyoma no dawson anso aban say obeye ye de ni anim say ye nuamo MPP fo bi beka e ba beka ye ho agi atum say Ghana for ho kire mo alas dabi yesi dabi Ghana ye ho nkire ye enu ntia ene hu ne call so parliament no na ye nwie we no eye the policy document eye estimate no so ebeba ebeko committee level ewie so a eba plenary am ya be discuss estimate no enti ye de yegidie ni say nana Akufo-Addo ne na ban see ye nka ye ho mom Yemia a beltim if say Ahochabano. Minion a mass and say, Ose Ghana for me a belting, then pure tax away in Ano. Then I began say, COVID by idea. Government expenditure, government machinery, office of president, no, and Kayabeti Kana, Sikaya de Kokonoso. If you say, Yemia a belting, no, Sananado dear, why ye in the belt horse in a free?
Or my increasing office of the president, Sika.
Office of government machinery, no president, Sikana Yadiko, ever remuneration, Sika Editio Moka, never goods and services, Hunia Minia, Yatum. Oh, me patcho mammy. America Crabina.
Honorable is allowed German of women's organizer say or in a letter area no hill. It mentia or mano, why just so?
Me chairman ba Siatapa.
The way enough
no for Mavis, Mavis pa. Mecha Mavis. Na minia me pese me actually telephone because me pese me ye 2 million actually see. Minia when ye koso compensation salaries echo office of government machinery.
That is the presidency.
Yes.
All kind of
presidency. A move akosoro 2020 no. Almost ye more 136,212,551 2020.
136 million. What about it is saying?
What about it is there? Minia
1.36 trillion.
Trillion.
1.36 trillion.
Minia. That calculation of cry de mami. A free 2020 you. Na 2021 yen na COVID
what tax
amagana for no physical almost yen family
no money no
or see from 136 million a jampwako 823 million 880,668 Ghana cedis a jampe ne yedi beka honkwa ne abeka honkwa no 687 million 668,117 in just 1 year. Just for 2021.
Honorable within 4 years and I say
1 year, 2021.
Sika o use 136 no.
And Yamfanko 823 million Ghana cedis.
That's over 500%.
In fact, Sika ebe kahon kwa 687 million and yemfanka ho in this COVID period. Samre we are COVID number no. Yemfa we nkom ho. And it is not because Sika no anywhere ye de better vaccines. Enye because ye hia Sika for Ghana for. Enye because sanitation ene fin amene ye. Enye because energy sector no kofem. And because we need money for the office of government machinery. If you say you want na COVID number. Why do we need this kind of money? Abra last year, more than budget 136 million. Well, your friend outlier. Obi why research kakra be hu say figure not to say na a jampe kosora. You ask yourself what is wrong.
What is wrong?
In that period where you were COVID, no, you don't expect that. Meaning eno achi ne bonifa no goods and services and also eco office of government machinery. Na ne office. President the office no goods and services yen koto machine we yen to paper yen to we ne yen be run office no and also 2020 no sika ye budget ye wo ho no 356 million 787,229 2020 2021 we and also kosoro almost ye mom 501 million 708,024.
My increase and also
100%. Increase and also amanaboro so say ni abeka ho no 144 million 920,795 Ghana cedis. Enti minua me ekoso na bi sika ni nyina kosoro hwe o ha contingency kire say ye ntwa sika bi nto ho asemsia contingency no so and also almost say no so yan fan kosoro every 186 million enko every 186 million enko sabe yan fa ye de beka ho no 186 million. Ne mana increase akosoro no. 186 million. In fact, President John Mahama appears no in 2016 no. Contingency you to ho na 67 million 25,000. 646. But we you see your mind 186 million.
As a 86 no kura no na eso John Mahama.
Eso John Mahama.
86 na da so no na eso John Mahama.
E no so because John Mahama dey 67.
Ah no kura 87 na 86 no kura no.
And Sisaka and 100 million sandan chain.
Hey,
enti when you na say every expenditure Office of Government Machinery no ekosoro. Every big critical spending. It is not defined.
It is not defined.
Critical spending. It is not defined. Critical spending also no. Yema are buying 500 million. It is in the budget. Page 226. Go and look at the budget. Page 226. Also critical spending. Yema no 500 million. On your critical.
Otimi di bi brabo. Otimi di bi che.
Minia. Ade ba konso e was budget no e ha adwen pa which we are going to ask and we will ask at the various level including the committee level they say abai ama Ministry of Communication isika wama Ministry of Information isika emfama no e na wasen atwa 400 million Ghana 4 million Ghana cedis say emfama government communication government communication
near omutwa bi 2017 edema Syria callers
eno
say so Syria callers yesi bi mu da bosomi akatua so onye adwuma
enti 4 million no why the government communication no apart from information ministry no
information minister agini sika
ogene de
communication minister agini de
yes
and he atwa 4 million
government communication. Why any government communication?
Any honorable say the communication officers here didn't real.
Minia, enti enyoma we ene nsem bebre. Ana ye ka say taxes na aban dey to yen so no. Enye out of the need for COVID.
But it's to spend higher.
It's to spend higher
at the presidency.
Because the nyoma we nyina president we will not need those taxes. Because you know, COVID levy no. It is expected say 1 year COVID levy no will rake in 900 million Ghana cedis. 900 million no. COVID health levy no. Ebe man 900 million.
Did you never hear Ghana?
And 900 million no. Look at the amount of money you're spending your Office of Government Machinery.
Senko ye discipline.
Oh, ye discipline.
And no jazz you cannot spend in the last year now. Kasa tax in ye here.
And no kura de nyamo so. If you say ye nyina ye hu say government so must spend over 90 million on COVID. But it is time now say it is 1.7 million Ghana cedis on COVID. Nya cannot call him.
Hey.
And Timinia.
There's a home content budget.
There are a lot of things. If your budget no will give you the 2020 outlook, send the 2020 tier, any near 2021 tier, because and stands medium term, you bet a coin kakra 2023, any 2024. And the clearly minia, and your man, Emma ya sorry Gina, say, ye a buy budget non to no, a profligate expenditure, a banan casadia tumwa, say a more appropriation or you send ye the gun on the befaso. Enti
let's say you radio so casano.
Be more Jihun
Nana Kufado the extra 4 million Ghana cedis.
I'ma be more
Tetisika 40 billion. Open radio so casa.
Communication, government communication. In fact, I was saying my TFO who said any Ministry of Information. Information Service Department NCC
2017
and I will so extra atunche. Enti some item do a budget no more. MYN. Enti da bia me ka say budget we no. Eye Bruni say eye grand deception. Eye grand deception chere say. Nana Akufo-Addo na ban e di nifa e di mayen. Say yes so ani bi fo asene. E na odi benkum eje. E na amayen esu e chere say yenti ase e ma budget we empase. Na say na parliament adwuma tie no. Send you the numbers and until send you can as many numbers are possible to gather today. We did our best. Now so encourage you go to the estimator echo various departments and agencies.
And you say on record, no, we a policy statement.
We a policy statement.
And I'm more approving it.
Yes.
But NDC for year and self, Ghana for Nyasa record, no straight up.
Very true and very good.
And again, I think I'm mobile estimates. Sikana or my Chadiama, or my Chuchama MDS, no. Quine Ben on Befas or Maiden.
On best spending on fine on person of Faso expending on.
And also approve our
and also approve our hope at the committee level, then at the plenary.
Or we Chimuka Kramai.
And also approve and say every committee, every ministry. A committee be ase. And the ministry na nkasa budget no, any departments, any agencies a ehye ministry no ase no. Everybody be share committee a ehwe so. Na budget na ohu na nkasa de skeleton.
Okay.
Meat na nkasa no ni ministry no pese sika na ye twa mo no. Nyoma pese ode ye. Capital expenditure, goods and services, remuneration ye be to adwumayefo ka. Enti ni nyina nso be ba committee na se. Committee ni de on get to send a budget ye no budget ni nyina bom no committee no bechi every single item ni opesa ode ye.
Okay.
Na ya hwe last year ode ye.
Okay.
Enti committee no tenancy we na approve about committee level na ya send it to house. Na ya ko debate report of the committee no ansa na ya ma approval.
Okay.
Ya keka ni nyina bom a ene ye be ya appropriation bill. Aka say ayemra. See, the parliament need a new I feel the phrase.
Okay.
Like I said, I am appropriation bill ya pass it. And sana ama ministry department and agencies no fine. Meaning also you be before 31st of March.
Ish. And then date here 19th.
And then date here 19th. And you go so. Ochina ever sitting. Ochina Saturday we will still come for sitting.
Ochina memenda.
Ochina memenda.
Wow. Ede na akofe no aba.
We nyina ye because I'm running so say within 3 months. Who say budget no? I was saying can read the budget in December. Sana I'm running but in election year, I had an intimate muscle.
No correct.
Constitution no moratorium of 3 months. Say 3 months no so now say yantimi anya nyoma we nyina. We need to trigger another issue our constitution no and sana budget must spend it. We don't want to get there.
Okay.
Until I just say 31st March the budget should have been ready and approved.
Not just
but a back committee level, some of the things are yet to be approved or Hakura will change at the committee level. The committee will go through every item, and the items are yet doing committee no be say. In fact, at the committee level, a lot of work take place done at the plenary. For plenary, need here na a show booting.
Now, we maybe say committee level. Nana Akufo-Addo said they are the type on it here. Mo be ye ni amu betimi bia. And
so in senka basa was senka because committee level no check committee na say omo technical competencies or areas na ye committee no so say na be ya o betimi odo som ahwemu yie na ye be boa Ghana enti anka senka ba ne sa na so na ye hu say aban we eye nyoma no enye nwanwa say appointment committee na nkasa majority nipa ne bebree agree say ka majority a enchere say majority group say nipa dodo na appointment committee say nipa miensa bi wo ha they should not have been but yesterday on by unfortunately ni esi ye no ye nyina ye ni anje ho na so eno aba atwam nti we are just hoping say ni ebesi o committee level no ebe reflect at the plenary
ni ebesi o committee level no ebe reflect ewo chamber media sana minimum terms no so abusuafo Masem TVGH nipa mene na etwe nkomo yi eye onimonyamfo Sulemana Adama oye emrahye badwani ma nkrofo a every time honorable nkrofo gu so support jumadi no woye no Abrante bi se fenoric Eric Usu apia or say nani agye won say or enjoy program no from Kumasi. Abigail appear say all the way from Germany. Anna Ama free and so said Deuteronomy chapter 23 verse 23. This year Ama mini Bible. Doris says good evening, please. How are you? Honorable is doing good. This is why you should forget about that. Your national blah 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 in Parliament. Oma forget it. Munta Baruka say good work. Hajia Breman say God bless you, Honorable. For this one part there, I will not say anything bad about our MPs. Who Adams, no. Who no, Debbie, who do crack where no man me both crack or block on the line. You really some down for no. My call banning every month MP. So now me I'm a psycho father by. Or see, he said it was free water. Not free water. Honorable tell no so about the and go say yes, I feel here. I am late, but I am very happy for the approval. Pa. Hey, Bobby answers so you're happy. Na don't find your Ghana for. Na Ghana for fancy answer. And I say, it's harsh. Almost send him. Good evening, bro. Please, I lost my phone. That's why I've been here a long time ago. Dominic AJ. Welcome, Dominic. Safia, Ibrahim Safia. Good evening, family. Good evening. Habiba to Bini, or say mother serpent of all corruption, one for Nana Akufo-Addo. Ma make it was a hi, good evening, Brian Charles, good evening, man. Media, ma make it was my media, me all my me, until me bra, me sister, me mahameno, Master Alvis, Musta Alvis, good evening, Massem, good evening, ma make it was a good job, God bless you, Honorable. It's perfect now. What's the sound on them come? Madam Romo is a dear mean crocra phone be me so me the batty me be able mata di ma make us. Hi bro, good evening. You do all. God bless you so much. And also the Aisha Suleiman say, good evening, my son. Good evening, Mami Asha. Betty Mensa said the sound is okay now. The sound, please. The sound more says Aisha Ahmed say more fire, Honorable. Hi bro, good job. Comment no there mean to me and kind nyina answer ne frɛ Kofi Agbaja or say I'm South Africa also or South Africa. Or say in South Africa they are paying people that are not working due to COVID-19. Ghana there we are taking money from them. Honorable me no be discuss the energy sector. And Crawford said the energy sector no is overburdened. Yaji energy sector nin change sika dodo. Bibia a easy way to tax your people. Bibia buying some mommy enko. Aye. Honorable be to me me ye intro bi kakra. Ye see bibia ni a. Obet ye see bibia ni a na ye de good petrol so. Bibia ni a na ye de good petrol so because government ni him say kurasi ni afro car. Sana krumuni nso ye den afro car. For many member of parliament for time constituency and edwetwe nkomo na ebe hia se me kan mo message se ne kakra na me sign eko honorable ho na menene ye den eko twetwe nkomo yes aban na unse so to taxes ewo energy sector na for example gas obekwa akoto say ya gas between the year 2016 and now Nana Akufo-Addo ato gas mu 40 Ghana cedi LPG gas na de no aduane no. Nana Addo ato mu 40 Ghana cedi. I move from 50 Ghana cedi to 90 Ghana cedi. Na no mabusuafo so omo gas asa omo kotobi. Omo to gas no omo to no 90 Ghana cedi. Adan yento aketuem. Honorable energy sector. Levy a bind egu mako 5 in the year 2021. Why? Crawford so expense Ghana overburden the ordinary omo chire omo say baby a bind to no kono so baby a udwane to na anye den enye yi ye wi a na ya babel linking up with one very important way so and also ba na ye. Is there anywhere you betimi afa minority side and ka betimi aboa amatima mu for one hand either than say toa na ese agi won ye wi a near the about public sector aban ni say on toa katuem but ono ni sika odie watum sa question in common. See a toa katuem and kamumra shebeja fonds me a public sector and kekamo Aban se on to akatua name office of the president there. Omusika ombe spend in 2021. You increase it by 500%. You increase it by 200%. You increase it by 100%. France ahodo obe mi ensa nan eko no bi ani wono ma ye increase no. Critical contingency and government machinery sika nyina ye increase no. Two questions together. 3 mpo. Why energy sector overburdened? Why? Ni ntimi mfa kwan bi so a ebenya taxes ebema Ghana fam. Ni esa kubi mi say adenti na aban ne say public sector ne de. Omo ntaite omo bet say nya de obeto omo akatuem. Ono de watoto ne ho akatuem. Ara wo yase aba ho no.
Yeah, me da se me nua. Em say energy sector levy extra. There was a sunset clause. Mampani Mahama na de buy. Those are the times ana dum so achire yan so bebre no. Enyi na nim say din so na financial issues ka ho. Enti ye de bedan Ghana for say omumwa na omuntua kakra na yemfa enso budum so. Na mum ye the sunset clause mu. E kire say enye forever. Yes see yenya the needed power. E was say energy system be facing it out. Enti it was an indication say by 2017, the energy sector levy should have been scrapped off. And now, you oppose energy sector levy no extra no. Then, in fact, CCA majority leader, Honorable Chairman Sabonso, on the lead walkout, energy sector levy no. Emra ye pass.
Asla na omatum no.
Yes, on the lead walkout wo ho.
Ye pass asla no. Omu free parliament.
Omu free parliament.
And then one be ready ya.
On the ready ya. Odi bi abeka ho.
Odi oma increase asla no.
Asla no. In fact, ye mra so no. Ye the sunset clause mu. E kire say duru ba bia. E wo say ye scrap levy no.
Ye nyi to
free ho.
Because abe serve the purpose.
The purpose. Because these are special purpose vehicles ah. Say a 7 the purpose we cut it off. In fact, for most of the taxes about we dey ban no, taxes what they can ono adi kan oppose pay. VAT when na who VAT. And Esla, let's stay with the energy sector lady. Now, incremental abanja ba energy sector because abanya who say we have inelastic demand for petrol, for diesel, for energy. And it's an etebia. O kra o kasa o nkoto a obeforo ka nti aba affecto wonni ka kra obeforo ka enu nti ameka se abane ye insensitive to ye nipa omo kire omo no efi se we ye consumption tax so the consumption tax to eto ade bia so a se ne etie bia obi a ho kire no nti enye eni just broni say it is not appropriate for a current economic situation, you know, say obesan the tax out so because say say diesel prices have been going up since January. Since we are 2 petrol mu
5
emprenum. So it is going up from the international market. It come down here because of tax net also no. In Ghana for say energy sector levy increase cost no. Even without increase, you have two international market. You must need to have more for petrol and diesel, any other energy sector issues. And it was not necessary to increase energy sector because you're near sun, because it is the cheapest and the easiest route
to get taxes.
To get taxes. And any ministers and one catch and say amamu taxes in Kwandia 7 produce. Honorable Wesley also, or send a 7-year-old boy could be my president than former president
Mahama.
John Dramani Mahama.
Baby will be a yammy money in each check.
Minia, and your man, Oman that John Mahama didn't know bosso. Ya. Say Oman John Mahama, a father a quarter of an issue a Ghana for come once more. And it is happening 1,000 times.
Yeah, that is true.
It is happening 1,000 times. In fact, national debt, the national debtor, 122 billion. Yen say 120 billion Ghana cedis.
And document him on Bejitu.
120 billion Ghana cedis. And now I can say 296.1 billion Ghana cedis. But okay, no more percentages. Okay, In fact, yɛn as NDC, ɔmampanin dada John Dramani Mahama, ɛne ɔmampanin dada Yewura Tamils, yɛbɛtumi de yɛnsa si ɛbosea no a yɛbɔɔyɛ no, na yɛde yɛyɛ so because it is not bosea no that important, but capital expenditure, capex, very critical because sɛ wogye bosea no, now the consumption, sɛ ne yɛnua mo yɛ na, it doesn't bring returns.
Okay.
Enti wogye bosea no, na wode kɔyɛ NAPCO. Wogye bosea, na wode kɔyɛ planting for food and job. Wogye bosea, na wode kɔyɛ free SHS. Wogye bosea, na wode kɔyɛ flagship 1D1F government project, 1D1F kwade anka ɛbɛgye atum. But government projects now, what flagship projects, all of them, most of them are consumption now. It doesn't bring returns. Emra, Emma Paninda da, Atamos na John Mama J. Bosiano, you a trouble gas pipe. The biggest gas project in the whole of West African sub-region.
Yeah.
It brings up investment. J. Bosiano, yen force now, oil force now, the three abeka on stream, bringing us income. And we can talk about the University of Ghana Medical Center. We can talk about the Bank of Ghana. We can talk about the police hospital. We can talk about the Ridge Hospital. We can talk about district hospitals. Any regional hospital. Ebi won so come me constituency. And that's why you can talk about magnificent projects. The returns on those investments are very huge. Look, Bosiana Nanado, every 120 billion. Ako 296 billion Ghana cedis no. Wow, wow, me. Hwe wo mpatem ho, na bisa wo ho say capital expenditure ben ene wom. Say yakonye bosea no,
empuntujuma ben ne dia yo.
Ene wom because empuntujuma the resources be bring and action because for some of those resources they will pay for themselves. Sika yede a trouble gas plant no is paying for itself. Enti planting for me say NAPCO, how is it paying for itself?
How is
it paying for itself? Until you are borrowing for Enchirimana, it becomes unsustainable. And they say you need to not sustain it at this level. As I speak to you, your tax revenue, you see, taxes na yejeno. Over 80% you for remuneration. Yeditua akatua. Ye tax na 80% yeditua akatua.
Akatua no mponye honorable.
It is telling you that we are not producing. We are not spending on capital expenditure. Enuntia. Ye kasa NDC ba. Yesisi adan. Na ye those investment to bring money back into the system. And Timinia. I know so much for our and I always say, conveniently, they don't talk about that to GDP ratio. Because now, I'm moving from 56% under Excellency John Dramani Mahama. In 4 years, I'm moving cost 76% of our GDP. Nature only say, we have only 24%.
24%
of resources. And Ubisa question
salary increment.
Salary increment for public sector workers. Meaning, apart from say, Mampani, there are so many inconsistencies of budget. Apart from say Office of Government Machinery, a Hong Kong, you're blown up. No, hey, Sika, Yadima Judiciary, Yateso. Even though Maranutia, Emrano say, you cannot revise estimate from the judiciary. You can only recommend. And it's a judiciary and on budget bar. A man recommend, oh, me can I be any saying Kamoti Susia. But a man on one cannot go and sit down and revise or man revise it or Matia form. NCC attending the other form.
Baby, a bed, NC, Ombafa educating Ghana for
Yatiaba form. Baby, Ebenya Bosia, Ediakoya Juma, Amasikaba, Ibutum, Maslow, Yatiaba form.
Maslow,
Yatiaba form. NAPCO, eco form. Even the free senior high, a coffin. Even the free senior high. Baby, a cosoro, a Office of Government Machinery. Minia, it is unheard of. Say you be ready budget. Now you say, ya can't add my focus to your master.
A whole here me.
You ready budget.
You see that.
Ya can't
minimum wage.
Akatuya. If you say the tripartite committee, the government, the employer, the government, and the organized labor couldn't agree. And yet, Ajumayefo Ajumano.
After taxes,
even though they should have also started in January. If you say cost of living moves up every time.
Yeah.
Amanankasa agrees, inflation is 10.something%. That inflation man reflects in Ajumayefo Sakatium because they are also affected by the inflation. Enti abusia, enyoma ekosono. There is nothing free in this world. There is nothing free. Enunti, the decisions that we took in 2020, it is having an effect on us now. If you say, for the metie government communicator back, also Ghana for this idea we na fe de they are thinking. Also Ghana for take a decision in 2020 said another one here no ko. Nti ya to mana wie. So he doesn't care about welfare no. Enti government has no excuse. As at 19th of March to tell us or be ready budget no so no minia. There is labor and employment ministry as part of the budget.
Yeah.
Every ministry is captured. The most critical thing for every worker is its remuneration. So on what basis and a government remuneration for workers better ho? Assuming, for instance, without accepting, you go to the Ministry of Education. Or the budget are better ho. Say you approve a budget for amount for Kapia. Now you don't even have the minimum wage. Assuming, say minimum wage no ba. Now issue to bro. Akatue idea two ways. How is government going to pay teachers?
How is government going to pay them? Meanwhile, why allocation?
Why allocations?
So apartheid committee
so entrance
determine
the minimum
wage.
As the same applies to health. The same applies to industry. The same applies to all sectors. We need to pay workers there. Meanwhile, so we don't know the basic.
Ministry of Health, the
minimum wage have not been determined. Every worker is affected by the minimum wage. Every worker, whether you are the medical doctor, whether you are the janitor, whether you are the nurse, whether you are the judge, whether you are the expert, you are affected by the minimum wage.
One for you, Chief Justice. Maybe I will be a child.
The government management of the economy at the government needs some. No wonder we have a caretaker minister for a minister, a rep of the president at the Ministry of Finance. So what is happening? What is happening at the Ministry of Finance? You try nipa ba kon amanyoma ejinsam se na ejinsam.
And they say a train no for.
Oh say yenya mvete no. So we still don't have a minister for finance. We only have
acting
president rep at the ministry and say minister responsible for finance ministry. I was saying majority leader. So that is Ghana na idea. Every decision has consequences. Never take a decision and I mean say any consequence. Every decision, whether it is a manual decision or a major decision, there will consequence. The consequence of 2020 election or any one of them. Eddie Paminia. Eddie yet me akana esuna her na yentimi nsu.
And now mom koye campo bi aso anu no.
I say entertainment industry say
Prince David
say. You see the word that he was using. In fact, he was just being charitable. Or say nana Eddie free nyoma and a buy no musu di actually koye campaigner. Or more koye campaign look mindless. What is the meaning of mindless?
Now he knew team no.
What is the proper way of saying that? Mindless. He's just being charitable. He should use that word. I won't use it, but he should use that word.
Honorable, saying na okonsuensi for. Saying na okonsuensi for. Omoje sa free ya. Akoba se anya me free. Ana minim se o real consuensi nkronkuma for ene doso. Omo ankasa nsuo no ma no be free. Baba bi e de to na kofa no be twa bi.
Minia
kwan ben de course na e ba o phone so.
Minia enya de ketwa. You see
krono bi o kra o consuensi e de kane akọ be si na e se omo nso.
Bebre. Minia okota no so a. The free water, no certain or in you, train communities. They are almost together. Free water, no, they didn't enjoy you. They paid. But Obi water no to be able to NHIL. Obi water no to be able to VAT. So they are going to pay for something that they didn't enjoy at all. In fact, Obi water no to Obi cross road to Rubiano, he's paying. Obi water no to game he's paying. So if you go to my constituency, for instance, a rural community, your challenges having roads, water, and educational institutions. Electricity, your mom paninda that your mama pencil. In fact, electricity now, a boss war budget to say, I buy the electricity cost 1,700. All those, most of those contracts were awarded in 2015.
Yeah, sure.
Over time, community be anywhere, fresh community, MPP by no one can also.
China water
And communities now, NDC free as no. And communities be very high in me. Ya donko, Poku Krum, Amangwase, Fula. All those communities they are starting in Kanyana Koso, edit transformer Akoboho 4 years. Ya train Kanyana be at the transformers for 4 years. Yes, so keke yan so ye. And Timinia, apart from that, Rose, every Suhunu, Ekoakosi, Bepayase. I buy so the ama contract I ever during election, I am Mimia so. Minia, the budget statement, I bind the 2 day. Quite back up, and I want the whole constituency no. Near linking from Brekum, Eba Sequa, and on Kwana Kahon, and this Kwana I started saying, you know, near the Madam contract, and on Kwana Kahon. No other road in time is captured.
Nabadaum.
Minya, Hebana.
Ya, Hebanda, mammy.
Mate. No other road in time.
Tie every media,
every brody. Every the baby, Ekwa Kosi Sampa Kwana, Ekwa Kosi Brody, no. It is not part, but there was a contractor on it.
You don't mean it?
I mean it. According to the budget statement, I've read the budget from beginning to the end. In fact, Emra, you present a budget, no. I was hesitant in commenting about your rules, no. If you say, now a snippet and you the full budget, no, can you know? But the budget statement is here with me.
Oh, a copy.
Complete budget. That it is not in. No road there. In fact, the only thing I mean who say every no in Kenya because in Kenya the bomb you see the whole Bono region. You see Bono region. Communities are a shape on better also. And I me concerns in the council. I'm hoping say on the electricity front, those things will be cut. But for the roads,
time a coin be anyone my buying consider.
I just said Brekum to Sekwa Road, which is now 88% complete. Ongoing.
Enti Masekwa to kumo to a friend is saying a curriculum can saying
every Imsuna Kobe Paya says Nasana Hani Yakonina. No. That project is not an
Namasa to say when you
No.
Double a friend say okay, Okra they say Fidel rules.
So Fidel rules, F. Brody, a Kwakosi Adon Conce, NDC pension. They say here is a Fidel road, no, you castle, handy and dear. Yeah. He say if bro han kwan a day akoma so say ye de eno so nka ho.
Bro han nka ho.
David eno so nka ho.
Na o si di baby bro di kwan enka ho.
David enka ho.
2021
budget enka ho.
Wow. Enyo nko constituency bebre.
Yes.
Ye beto aba ba bi kura de ba o mi ade asokobo.
Ona say about 20 there.
Sunyani Ring Road.
Ya say gumti odu obom no mo twom, mo bo ho no mo de so no bo ho no mo twom, aso bo ho no mo twom. But na ye say aponjere ni wu a.
Eni ebe hu ne
tenten. And reality is dawning on us. Say enye na ye hire nyina na efe nyina na hire. Na ne eba no.
Arabo yenko constituency with this budget. What is beyond a coin by queen? Dear no budget in my time for anymore.
Beyond a coin by queen, I mean, I go see that day.
I didn't be the woman man constituency for benefits.
Specifically, say about constituency in the Nimbium now. So, in fact, hospital. In fact, the hospital.
And the final question, some Bawa Menko.
Very good.
Number say I know the NDC me because a DNA specific way in the budget.
Specifically on electricity, but and also no your Bono region.
And yet
specific communities are also specifically I don't even know which Bono part of the Bono region say constituency in the Cahonia.
Near one no.
Near one no.
Okay, back to the hospital. Yeah. Tyne District Hospital, your mama hospital. Honorable hospital ya baby biano. Hospital we nenke see in 2017 under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
Irrigate. Wakwa kwaji sika no de aba. Say yem fine hospital no. Hospital honorable Nana Akufo-Addo akobia no mebo.
Yes, on the 6th of November 2020.
6th of November
2020.
Bosomi ye de beto aba.
Yes.
I want now free. Tyne District Hospital near Najoma Mercy and the second largest hospital. We Sunyani Regional Hospital free wa.
Of course.
And a referral center is some your mama and the koi. Omo can kruma say Tyne District Hospital is a they say omo pretty.
It is not operational. Binia, ye be a hospital now November. Nanko be adwene say. On say project biano. The moment you see commissioning, not just say we are commission we are frasi.
Our typical example ye your mama polyclinica. Osi no kwatri. Boma nkrankwanta. Wemfie.
Very good.
Any attachment ya.
Very good.
Onim said there be a oko bia no obekọ na doctors nurses wo ha amoye.
Amoye adwuma.
Ah nkrofo nso gi ayarehwe wo ho.
Very good.
Buno afo 5 osi ye no. Bia oko bia no anani pa gi ayarehwe wo ho no.
Very perfect minua.
Odi eni ye bie ye bosome 9 ni. Enum nie.
Minua me de no kwada no na ye double agenda na president de ba ho. Da oba attachment for Farmers Day no. Owie no to aso e na oba hospital wan wura nsoko kurum odru hospital.
Obebie
wan man nsoko kurum
hospital no president ama kurum.
Na ma kurum ahemfo no ne amanfo no hia no wo hospital.
Ano oba wan gochi anana no.
Oh ene de minia. Manana no musu mo nka o masem. Omo be hia nana mo be hia nana.
Mampani manana no efro ka be hia no kwan so hospital.
Hospital ho wie no san ko.
Wan pe katasi ko.
Dabi. Ene be bi hospital na no. Enti ye na enim se ye bi hospital na no de ye be bia ma amanfo akọ hospital no. November no e ko end. January, December ebesen ko yi. January abesen ko, February abesen ko, March 19th ne we. Sane me no ka say 23 bed capacity a. Ye yusu na da no. E hwa na eguso wo. Apemfo edafam. Enkwala edafam. Minua Okoduru hospital wa best near 23 nipa bebre di dafam. I remember very well say you wie December no ma ye campaign no enkola e konya accident wo Banda constituency do mo ba ensoko no
manimo
enkola ne di daf nipa na di dafam everybody was on the floor. Meanwhile so this hospital na ye bia no e was trauma center wo from Wenchi Tyne Bana German North German South Bole Bambo, there's a trauma center in it. Anka, Sankrofo ni bit ma homo. And then COVID ya by Mimia. COVID ya by. We need space, we need resources. I was say every country, every community, leveraging the resources I will. The best resource and Katan you want to say we have the second largest health facility ewo Bono region. Enti nka ebenya baby edi nipa to ahwe omoyie ama yetimi any COVID nakon. And so ye bia no since November hospital no gususi ho. In fact, me na ye be hospital no na ye nwie, that is the bottom line. Ye be hospital no na ye nwie. Enti baby na staff bungalows no. There were military personnel no mo ho. So nobody was allowed to cross the military personnel no wako staff bungalow no. No wako hu say ye nwie ho. Enti for me hospital na it was for the optics, it's for the cameras. And now I know can say after the last 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks, me free fear bano. 3 weeks me free boy bano. Na ni pay ye more hospital no ma ye nwie.
The equipment about hospital.
Equipment be ama hominia. Ye be a hospital no with no equipment. Ye the trawlers ne nyoma na be gu ho. But those enkonya ye be be hospital no. The enkonya were sent back to where they came from.
Yes, omo kofa in the baye. Omo kofa a friend is saying sa a career friend is saying Tepa government hospital.
Sana mete no.
Too bad.
Sana mete no menua. Enti clearly no, say your hospital no was not completed ambra omampani be bia no. Enti what we are doing now, what we are asking for the omampani ne Minister for Health awaba. Budget limit so kan no we say ye wie staff bungalow in 2020 abanya wie staff bungalow a ewo time this hospital. Enti we expect the hospital to be operational at the minimum possible time abanya betimi could be a hospital no. Enti ade ba kon say budget no say 2020 we wie staff bungalow na ewo hospital no. Even though abanya didn't tell us which level no koto staff bungalow no. In fact 2016 and this ifra konwa no so no. The staff bungalow was a giant to hosa until the middle of 2020. And it cost 30 years. Some reason no, na staff bungalow ni aka ne say, ya plaster wheel. Na ni aka ne say, ya be finish with the roofing. That was all. Everything until say, abaya was say 2020 wako wie staff bungalow so na esi hono. So we expect the government to operationalize the time Desol Hospital. That is the minimum that nipa what time everywhere free omampani ho.
Arabo hwena na Akufo-Addo anim na fa wa appeal to nanim na
me hwena na anim na ma Minister for Health anim nana the president
Amponsa Gloria say workers no kura as eje adwuma ne ye.
Can you imagine?
Ono okasa free nsoko time.
Can you imagine?
O say workers na o so 3 weeks ago kura no omo no say o ma free adwuma num ko.
Can you imagine? And we are appealing to the president say time District Hospital, the second largest health facility in the Bono region after the Sunya Regional Hospital. No.
Your mama na nesi
ama time for Fofia to ata 20 sin efra konwa so a ada hwa enfie nan ekonum ni no yesre omompani se ombebia no ombewie na omie mayen na yetimi e de akon covid no ama da corridor no ye nyina yetimi akon covid ni yie na ama apomuden eni ayarehwe eni ayaresa akoso na se ba bia da ne de yamanfo no yare a apemfo de fam enkwala da fam yarefo no nya ba bi na if you say for a district your population bro 100,000 na your facility your district health facility e 23 bed yesrew ansa na 111 no beba no jomama aye bi wodi kan ye bi asi ho enti ye no be ye no yie mayen ansa na 111 no ya hwe anim enti ye de ne de yesi ye de ne ye 1 de bi mayen.
Honorable Medas Nyame Nhyira bebre.
Mese Medas.
Ama free se ne ho adwiri no. Nyame Nhyira bebre. Ewa akwanya wo de ama me.
Mese Medas.